Hey, Edgar from Funneltopia here. As in one of the previous videos you might have seen, we were setting up the order form and the sales page. We also added a coupon code option, which is part of the kind of like the product setup, right? So we can have an option to have a, or rather, sorry, not the when we set up the order form in the back end on a page builder, there's like a toggle switch, right, to have the coupon code on or off. So yeah, in case it's on, we want to create a coupon code, then we can go over here. If we go to payments, if you want to create one, coupons, and then let's just do a new one. And let's just do, as an example, I'll do a 50% off coupon for this specific offer, for this specific product, rather. So let's do Corgi 50, right? Coupon type, you can do percentage, you can do fixed coupon. Obviously, fixed means just a certain, amount. You do percentage, whichever way you prefer. Start date, this is mandatory, so just pick today's date. Unless you have a different date. And here you can see limit the total number of times. I guess that's like a scarcity element. I'm not sure if that would work for digital products. I don't know if that's sort of a thing you want to do because it's digital, it's unlimited. Unless there's a reason to do like a limit on, let's say, only 10 people can claim the discount, that's fine. This one is kind of vital. Limit this coupon to selected products offers. So if you check the box, you can select which products, right? So this is the one that's connected to the sales page. You can select several, but this is the one we have connected to that page. So this is the only one. We don't want it to be a case where we have a 50% off coupon code and it goes for all the products, no matter if it's a $97, $5,000, whatever, and they can just use it for whichever product. So we don't want to end up in a situation like that where somebody makes a purchase like that. So let's just do for specific products in this case. One use per customer, sure. That's I don't know, it doesn't matter in this case. And this one is for recurring future payments, but that's, yeah, in this case it's a one time, so it doesn't matter. So let's click create. I think the code, what was it? Corgi 50. Let's copy it. So now we're on the page, right? So now we can do, if we put it in, apply, and it automatically applies it. And that's it, 50% discount. So this is the original price. This is the discounted price. You can see the old price here. But yeah, this is pretty simple. If you have any other questions over here, click on this button. My face wasn't in the way. 24/7 chat support. Ask us anything Funneltopia related, and we'll try to respond as quickly as possible. But if you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.